stop cursing at your bike. Here are the top 10 reasons it won't start. Reason number 1, dead battery. It's the most common culprit and an easy fix. Number 2, loose or corroded battery connections. Make sure everything is tight and clean. 3, faulty spark plugs. If they're worn out, your engine won't fire up. Reason 4, clogged fuel filter. Without a clear fuel path, your ride's going nowhere. Number 5, empty fuel tank. Sounds obvious, but it happens. 6, stale fuel. Old gas can gum up your engine. Reason 7, blown fuse. Check your fuses and replace any that are blown. 8, ignition switch issues. If your key's acting up, so will your bike. 9, carburetor problems. If it's dirty, your engine might not get the fuel it needs. And finally, number 10, faulty starter motor. When this goes, you're not going anywhere. So there you have it. Check these 10 spots, and you'll be back on the road in no time.